free guided presence practice. Hi everyone, my name is Sudi Burnett, and here's a simple guided practice for meeting what's already here. Before we begin, there's nothing you need to achieve here. This isn't about even calming the mind, improving yourself, or reaching a special state. It's simply an invitation to notice what's already happening, gently, honestly, and without trying to change it. You can do this sitting, laying down, or even standing. And if at any point you feel distracted, restless, or uncomfortable, that's not a problem. That's part of the practice. First, notice the simple fact that you are here. You are alive, not as an idea, but as a felt experience. Feel the weight of your body. Where are you supported right now? The chair, the floor, the ground beneath you. You don't need to focus hard. Just allow sensations to be present. Perhaps you've noticed pressure, warmth, coolness, subtle movements. If thoughts are commenting, I'm doing this wrong, or this isn't working, let them be there too. Nothing needs to be excluded. Now notice the breath, not to control it, but simply to feel it. Where do you notice the breath most easily? At the nostrils, the chest, the belly. Let the breath breathe itself. If the mind wanders, that's okay too. The moment you notice wandering, awareness is already here. Nothing has gone wrong. You might notice breath is shallow or deep or uneven. Allow it exactly as it is. This practice isn't about changing experience. It's about meeting experience. Now gently widen your attention. Instead of focusing on one thing, allow everything to be included. Sounds, sensations, thoughts, emotions. Notice that thoughts appear on their own. You don't have to stop them. Just see if you can notice them as events, like sounds passing through awareness. If an emotion is present, restlessness, sadness, calm, boredom, see if it can be felt directly in the body. Where is it located? What does it feel like? Without naming or explaining it. There is no need to analyze, just sensing, allowing. Begin here. Now gently ask, without looking for a verbal answer. What is it that's aware of all of these? Thoughts are noticed. Sensations are noticed. Emotions are noticed. But awareness itself isn't an object. You don't need to find it. Simply notice that experience is happening and is being known. There is a quiet, open presence that doesn't come and go. It doesn't get anxious. It doesn't need to improve. Rest here, not as effort, but as permission. As we begin to close, notice that nothing special needs to happen before you return to your day. Presence isn't something you leave behind. It's what's here before, during, and after this practice. You can return to this, noticing while walking, while listening, while speaking, even while feeling lost. Take one gentle breath, and when you're ready, open your eyes or simply re-engage with the space around you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. Love and peace.